ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ద మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఇండియాస్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ 10th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పార్ట్ 1 బిట్స్. In 1959, the first elections were held in Nepal under a new constitution issued by a king, Rajendra, Gnanendra, Surendra, Mahendra. Correct answer, Mahendra. The Congress Party of Nepal came to power in the elections held in the year 1975, 1985, 2001, 1991. Correct answer, 1991. In Nepal, monarch was abolished in the year 2007, 1997, 2012, 2000. Correct answer, 2007. Elections to the Constituent Assembly. Elections to the Constituent Assembly were held in the year 1947, 1946, 1950, 1940. Correct answer, 1946. The number of scheduled caste members in the Constituent Assembly was 26, 36, 16, 20. Correct answer, 26. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Patel, Gandhi, Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. The Constitution was finally adopted on 1st January 1947, 15th August 1947, 26th November 1949, 15th January 1950. Correct answer, 26th November 1949. The Constitution of India came into force from 15th August 1947, 26th January 1950, 26th February 1950, 26th November 1946. Correct answer, 26th November 1950. The draft constitution had how many articles? 444, 315, 395, 333. Correct answer, 315, 315. The Constitution of India was framed by British monarch, Constituent Assembly, British Parliament, Indian Parliament. Correct answer, Constituent Assembly. The words secular and socialist are included in scheduled, parts, preamble, fundamental rights. Correct answer, preamble. The preamble to the Constitution of India declares India to be a sovereign, democratic republic, sovereign, socialist, democratic republic, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, capitalist economy. Correct answer, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Which among the following is not a feature of Indian Constitution? Parliamentary form of government, federal form of government, double citizenship, a written constitution. Correct answer, double citizenship. The term gender is found in the preamble of Japan, India, Nepal, China. Correct answer, Nepal. The term desire peace for all times is found in the preamble of Japan, India, Nepal, Korea. Correct answer, Japan. The cabinet mission was appointed in the year 1905, 1950, 1936, 1946. Correct answer, 1946. The members with which Indian Constituent Assembly formed? 392, 299, 192, 200. Correct answer, 299. B option correct. The number of Constituent Assembly seats allotted to the princely state was 93, 83, 103, 123. Correct answer, 93. The representatives of the princely states were identified through lottery system, election, consultation, family background. Correct answer, consultation. The percentage of voters who participated in the election to be Constitution Assembly was 10%, 25%, 75%, 50%. Correct answer, 10%. The population of India in 1946 was approximately 500 millions, 400 millions, 300 millions, 200 millions. Correct answer, 400 millions or 40 crores. The drafting committee was appointed on 4th November 1948, 5th August 1947, 29th August 1947, 26th January 1947. Correct answer, 29th August 1947. Option C correct. Which of the following is not in the preamble? Secular, socialist, sovereign, federal. Correct answer, federal. Federal is not in the preamble of Constitution. The number of amendments to our Constitution till 2013 is 89, 99, 109, 79. Correct answer, 99. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar belonged to this state: Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer, Maharashtra. Fundamental duties of Indian Constitution were adopted from America, France, China, Russia. Correct answer, Russia. The first elections in Nepal were held in 1951, 1952, 1959, 1960. Correct answer, 1959. Federation means dual polity, central government is powerful, state government is powerful, unitary. Correct answer, dual polity.